Hello, this is Eric Blackburn, and this is my personal and professional goal video for my ePortfolio. Some personal information about myself. I'm married to an amazing woman named Amanda. We got married in July of 2012, and I'm a father to two of the honoriest little kids you'll ever meet, Grayson and Aubrey. Um, Grayson was born March of 2016, and Aubrey was born October of 2013. We enjoy traveling as a family, and we hope to someday visit all of the national parks. We've got a small start on it, but no, it's a pretty lofty goal, but shoot for the stars, right? In my free time, I enjoyed woodworking. I like making tables, beds, and whatever the wife wants, such as the deck that you see there in the picture above. And then there's our family up in the top. My daughter's got a unicorn headband on, and that pretty much is what she tries to wear every day. And my son thinks he's a cowboy, although we live in a town. Some educational background about myself. Looking to finish my Master's of Science in Educational Administration from Fort Hays State University, and I should graduate in May of 2020. And I've got a Bachelor's of Science in Elementary Education that I gained from Wichita State University when I graduated there in 2011. Personal goals: in 1 to 5 years, I hope to move to Colorado Springs. I've got some family out there, and we're hoping to just move out that way, get more into the outdoorsy lifestyle than we can experience here in Central Kansas. And 6 to 10 years, a personal goal would be to pay off student debt. My wife's got her master's and I'm working on mine, and that combined with our undergrad has created a little more student debt than we'd like. And so again, in about 10 years, I'd love to have that gone. And then beyond 10 years, I'd want to build my dream home in the mountains. Some professional goals: in 1 to 5 years, I'd love to obtain a teacher coach position. By doing that, would allow me to be a little bit more involved in leadership, but I wouldn't have to give up the summers, which I enjoy spending with my kids. And then I'd still be on that around 180-day contract. In 6 to 10 years, I'd hope to obtain an assistant principal position. At that point, my kids would be old enough that they're probably going to realize dad's not cool and they don't want to hang out with them as much anyway. And then beyond 10 years, I would hope to someday become a principal. Why did I choose Fort Hays State University? The number one thing that drew me towards it was the cost. It was one of the cheapest programs in the nation. And the second thing that really solidified my choice to apply there was the location. Close enough to me that if I would need to be on campus within a couple hours, I could, whereas a lot of the other programs weren't that way. My initial expectations of the program: I expect it to be user-friendly and entirely online, allowing flexibility for non-traditional students such as myself pursuing an advanced degree. I also have expectations of consistent and timely communications from the professors. And we've all got a ton on our plates involved in the program. Most of us are already going to be full-time teachers. A lot of us are going to have families. So we all have a lot going on. And if we can have that consistent and timely communication with an entirely online program, I see no reason why it can't be successful.